Alright, kindergarten, open up your math workbook to page 231. You should have a bookmark in your book, so you're going to be able to find that easily. If not, you need to go find a bookmark and put it in there for today. Alright, 231, we are going to be doing addition equations, right, with partners. You have to have two partners for these math problems, and then all of them look like they're going to equal 10, right? So we have the total first, and then equals, and we're going to find all these different ways to equal 10, which is a lot. So first, let's look at the first block that is before the break apart stick. So how many tiles are before the break apart stick in number 1? 1. So let's go ahead and I want you to write 1 in the first box. Then how many are after the break apart stick? 9, right? Because I know we have a 10. We took away that 1, so there are going to be 9 left. So go ahead and write a 9 in the next box. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. We'll do one more, and then I want you to do the rest of this page on your own. And how are you going to show me that you completed them on your own? And if we are doing them correct? You are going to put it on Seesaw. So everyone will need to take a picture of this page, and the next page has the same thing. You're going to take a picture and show me. So let's do this one. How many are before the break apart stick? 1, 2. Write a 2. How many are after the break apart stick? And you can count them if you want, or you can know that if we have a total of 10 here and we took away 2, we have how many left? 8. So go ahead and put 8. So there's several different ways you can find this answer, right? Count the blocks or subtract from 10. Okay, so I want you to do the rest on your own and show me on Seesaw. Just count the blocks before the breakaway stick and then after the breakaway stick and put them in the boxes. Alright, kindergarten, we were just on this page and now we're going to turn the page. Remember, you're completing the rest of those. We did the first 2 together. You're going to do the rest on your own and then turn the page. There are more. We're going to look at the partners, complete the equations. Remember, we said equations from yesterday are just math problems or math sentences. So I want you to count the first group of dotted blocks and write it in the box, and then count the next group that are not dotted and they're after the breakaway stick and write the next partner. So for the first one, we'll do it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write a 9. Let me get my pencil. 9. How many are after the breakaway stick? Easy peas, 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. I want you to do the rest of the math equations, and then just like I said with the other page, together, just open it up and take a picture on Seesaw. Thank you.